Everyone, and welcome to today's very special hop. We have a YouTube hop and an Instagram hop in celebration of our dear friend Catherine Puller from Catherine Puller Designs. We are doing a dedicated thank you hop, and when I say we, I'm talking about the Wow Embossing Powder design team that includes both the creative team and the challenge team. So we've created an array of thank you cards that has brought to you a lot of Catherine Puller goodies, and it's just a thank you to our dear friend who continually supports the Wow Embossing Powder brand and also our design team members. So you will see a little bit of a montage of some of our design teams who were brave enough to show their faces to say thank you, and also some of their pet faces. But really, we can't thank Catherine enough and her support and friendship along this creative journey process that we have had and bonded together. So thank you, Catherine. We hope you enjoy today's hop, and everyone, I hope you enjoy today's hop as well. There are $25 gift cards up for grab on both the YouTube hop and the Instagram hop. So comment along the way, share, and just subscribe and support our beautiful community. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Catherine, for all your creativity and inspiration, and of course your fabulous products, including your inks. They're my favourite.